All right, here is the Sony ACC TRD-CX. Rolls right off the tongue. So basically, I use the Sony ZV-1. That's what I'm recording this on right now. And this is the second one I purchased to use. I use a 3-camera shoot, essentially, and I'm gonna use the Sony ZV-1 again. I already have one of these. It's a pretty great little kit. It is an actual Sony NP-BX1 battery and this little travel charger, essentially. No cord, just a bunch of paperwork. Essentially, you just put the gold tips here. There's a spot where they fit. There's an arrow there. It shows you how it works. It shows the X, shows the X, shows the little arrow, and the little gold points there. And when you plug it up and you put the micro USB in there, and the little light comes on, let you know it's charging. There you go. See the little orange light, and then you can see it just pop it out, take it out, put it back in. Chargers. You can just swap it out, pop this one out, put another one in, swap it back in, boom, there you go. That's one I already have. This is gonna be another one. So the camera comes with a battery, of course, and then this is a spare one. So you're getting an official spare battery and this little charger kit. It's not much more expensive than buying the actual Sony battery itself. So you don't have to worry about buying knockoffs, and you're buying an official Sony charging kit, and it's nice and compact. As I'm using one, I'm charging the other. And that'll be the same scenario. Now that I have a second camera, I'll have 2 backup batteries charging and 2 cameras in, action working. This one will be up here recording down. So yeah, I highly recommend it. It's an excellent little product. I've had it for probably a year. I mean, this is my second one I purchased. The other one I think I've had for pretty close to a year, if not more. And it's been no problems. All right, that's it. Thanks for checking me out.